start by just warming up the spine. So inhale and arch the back. Look up for a moment. Exhale, tuck the pelvis under. Take the head down. Inhale, start to arch the spine. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Hold it there for a moment. Feel the back muscles. Exhale, round. Now with your back rounded, let's hold it for 5 breaths just to activate the full body. Start to feel the activation in your shoulders and pull the stomach in as much as you can. 5 breaths here. 1, 2, nice calm breathing, no stress. 3, 4, and 5. One more time, just inhale as you release the spine, arch the back, and exhale, rounded back position. Hold it here for a moment. We're going to take it to a downward dog. Start by coming on the toes, and then inhale, just hover the knees off the mat. Push with your hands, lift your tailbone up and push away from the hands. So the shoulders are moving away from the wrist, and then the legs are nice and straightened. It might be difficult for you to get the heels down, no problem. Just keep the heels up as much as you can. Don't compromise on the length of the back. So avoid this position with the shoulders coming forward and the spine is not really getting a good stretch here. Rather than that, just push back with the hands and keep the knees bent. This is a much better position than that, so it will really lengthen out the back. And now let's start walking out the dog. So bend one knee towards the chest, other knee towards the chest. Keep going. One knee in, other knee in. For 5. Inhale one side, exhale other side. 4. Try to really slow down the breath. Breath should be the most important part of the practice. 2 and 1. Now let's bend both knees together at the same time. So inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. As much as you can, try to straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Good. 3 more times. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, straighten the knees. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. One more time. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Just hold it here for a breath. The gaze is right at the knees or the thighs, or if it's even possible, you can try to look towards the navel. Just one deep breath in, one deep breath out, and let's take some rest. Balasana, child's pose. Bring the head down, release the hands, let the hands relax. Let's release the spine to start off with. Exhale, round the back. We want to maintain the rounded back position. You shouldn't enter plank with an arched spine. You should enter it with a rounded spine. So maintain that. Come on the toes. Get ready. Inhale. Let's start by lifting the knees off the ground. So lifting the knees off the ground. Look right in between the hands. Remember not to arch the back or over round. The shoulders are over the wrist in one line, and this is a plank pose. Let's hold it for 5 breaths. 1. No bending the elbows, super straight arms. 2. Just focus on your breath. Let the breath be calm, steady. 3, 4, and 5. Good. So let's flip back. Let the head relax. And 5 breaths in downward dog. 1, 2, breathe slowly, calmly. 3, 4, and 5. Now you can take a break in child's pose, or we can keep going. Inhale, look forward, come over to plank pose one more time. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward dog. Few more times. Inhale, forward, feel strength in the shoulders. Exhale, take it back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, take it back. One more time. Inhale, forward, and just hold it there. 3 breaths only. 1, Deep breath. 2, 3. And relax. Exhale, downward dog again. Drop the knees down. Child's pose. You can open the knees apart, toes touching, and go as deep as you can go, head down. Start to walk, the knees a little behind you. If you need to come from a plank, so this is a plank pose, drop the knees down, big inhale, and now as you exhale, start to bend the elbows. Do not let the chest go down, okay? Even if it's so much, it can be here. If you can go a little bit more, this is the position. And then all the way down. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, Balasana, take a break. And come up, okay? We'll do one more exercise to really warm up, and then we'll try to attempt the posture. Coming back over to the hands and knees. This one's kind of hard, but go slowly. Lift the knees off the mat. Here we are in a plank pose. We're going to bend the elbows this time, okay? So inhale, just bend slightly and take it up. Like you're doing a push-up almost, okay? Bend, take it up. 3 more times. Bend, take it up. Bend, take it up. Last time. Bend, take it up. Bend, hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up, push back, downward dog. Drop the knees, Balasana. Take rest. It's very important to keep resting in between as well, just so that you give your muscles a break and you're not overstressing any of the muscles, okay? Inhale, come up. Now we're ready to try. It will take you some time to come to this posture, no problem. You just have to keep working on the drills that we did before. Lift the knees off the mat. Inhale, move the shoulders over the wrist, and as you exhale, as much as you can with control, start to lower the body down. See if you can hold it off the floor just for a moment, and exhale, come down. Cross the hands, turn the head to one side, take a break. Come back, all the way back. Okay? We'll just try that one more time and we're done. Just one last time and we'll call it a day. Now inhale, lift the knees up, hold it there. Exhale, start to lower, lower, lower. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale, Balasana one more time. Let's do Balasana with open knees, toes touching. For a deeper stretch on the hips, go down as much as you can. Let's start by coming on the toes, hands next to the chest. Inhale, coming up to a back arch. Okay, you start by keeping the knees on the ground. Take the shoulders away from the ears and hold it there. If it's comfortable, lift the knees off the mat. So here we are. This is known as upward facing dog. Lifting the chest forward and up. Hold it for a moment and then exhale, push back to downward dog. Stay there. Let's try it in a flow. Inhale, come forward, come to plank. Exhale, drop the hip down. Okay, and arch the back. You'll notice the knees and thighs are not touching the mat. If it's comfortable, toes face down. Okay, let's hold it for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knees down, child's pose, give yourself a break. We're going to do reverse warrior. Keep looking forward with the chest. Left hand, take it back towards the back of the left thigh. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, just slightly arch back. Hold it there. Few breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Don't go down. Let's just turn around. So left leg is 90 degrees. It's pointing forward. Back foot is 45 degrees. Let's do it on the other side. Hip is facing forward. Hip is going down. Now start to take the right hand back towards the right back thigh. Inhale, left hand up and arch back slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Straighten the legs for a moment. We're going to go straight to warrior 2 from here. So just hold everything. Just check your alignment once more. Front leg is pointing forward. Back leg is 45 degrees. The heel and arch of the foot in one line. Open the hands. Inhale. Exhale, bend the front knee. Don't cross the knee over the ankle. Very important. Bend. Okay. Now again, the chest is facing forward this time, not towards the left leg. So inhale, exhale, only the head. Look at the left fingers. 1. If you're taller, you have to increase the distance between your legs. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Keep the hands where they are. Right leg turn. Take an inhalation. Exhale, get into the pose. 1. Try to keep the belly pulled in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands back to the ground. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chest down. Inhale, come up, arch back. Be comfortable. Exhale, Balasana.